The Line Art modifier allows you to add 2D lines to 3D objects. Just remember that this modifier only works from the view of the camera, so make sure your camera is set up before using the modifier. I add a new grease pencil stroke object. I can move the stroke out of view but still selected. Under the Modifiers tab, I add the Line Art modifier. I'll use the source type of collection. This makes my collection the geometry source for the modifier. I then select my collection. For the layer, I choose color. This is the layer I want to use. For material, I'll choose a line color, in this case, blue. I can also change the thickness and opacity. There are many more options, so if you want a full tutorial, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial about using the Line Art modifier in Blender, then you may enjoy this video. Have a good day.